Well, I'm getting down there. I'm trying to get these steps done before it gets too cold outside. There. What's I better do over there, huh? Come on, Joe, don't dilly-dally here. Come on. Come on. Before it dries. Now use the big one. There we go. Okay. There we go. Use up that material. That. Look at that. Whew. The more of the same. The more of the same. See, now I'm pushing more to the left just to get a nice straight even line there. Okay, so I can grab it on that end and then put it down right there. Grab it in there like that. I want it on the right side of the blade now, like right in there, like that, see? I can put it right where I want it. On my blade. You always got to be thinking about that. See, now I want it on the left, or over here to the left. That. This time I can have it right down the middle. There. Up on the right. Right, or which is the left, but on the right when I put it down, see? Now I'm going to go this way, so I'm going to grab it on the left, if I can get it, right there. Good Lord. Okay. Man, a lot of work to do this. But hey, somebody's got to do it. Can you imagine if you had to pay somebody to do this? Why not do it yourself if you know how, if you can? You think, oh, Joe, I don't know if I can do that. Well, you don't know until you go out there and try. You know? You can do it. Don't be afraid. Try some new things. There's no better satisfaction of doing something on your own, looking back and saying, wow, look at that, I did that. You know? You can start doing that. Okay. Now, sooner or later, you're going to have to decide, when do I end for the day? And it's getting kind of cold out. And the sun is slowly dropping behind the mountains. And I don't want to do this too much longer. I think I'm going to mix up another batch or two and skin over the top of these stairs now. I'm not all the way done with this bottom stair yet. I still got a little more I can do along in there, like that. And I can see that step right in there. I need to put some more in. and that top step where the knife is, I can go along, that broad knife, I can go along and put some more in there. I know I'm low over here still, see? Most of the rest I'm pretty good. Got a little bit on the outside edge here to do. See right in there, you can see where it is. Right there it's still low. See, when I put the new material on, it's a different color. The darker is where it's still low. I can see right where it's still low, see? Right in there. Oh, I think I'll mix up another couple batches, and then I'm going to call it a day and I've got a good feeling that you know how to do this now.